Are you working out consistently but the scale isn't moving? It's a frustrating spot to be in, but you're not alone. Many people hit a weight loss plateau even when they believe they're doing everything right. We're diving into the hidden reasons why your hard work might not be translating into results. It's confusing when you're exercising regularly, hitting the gym, running, or lifting, but the number on the scale stays put. This usually points to factors outside of the workout itself. Weight loss plateaus are common. They often boil down to misalignments in your diet, lifestyle habits, or even how your body is adapting to your current routine. The harsh truth is, you can't out-train a poor diet. Nutrition plays the largest role in creating the necessary calorie deficit for weight loss. One major culprit is underestimating calorie intake. Even healthy foods, or seemingly harmless drinks and snacks, can easily wipe out the calories you burned during your workout. Focus on high protein and fiber foods. They boost satiety, curb cravings, and are crucial for preserving muscle mass while losing fat. Be careful not to over-reward yourself for exercising. Burning 300 calories on a treadmill doesn't justify consuming 500 extra calories afterwards. Consistency is king. Sporadic effort, whether in diet or exercise, will always hinder progress toward your weight loss goals. Inconsistent workout routines prevent your body from building momentum. You need frequent stimulation to keep your metabolism elevated. If your workouts are all low intensity, consider incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, to maximize calorie burn and hormonal response. It's not just about food and exercise. External lifestyle factors often play a huge and overlooked role in weight management. Poor sleep disrupts appetite-regulating hormones like ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased hunger and cravings for unhealthy foods. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, the stress hormone, which encourages the body to store fat, particularly around the abdomen. The adaptation effect explains why your favorite exercise routine suddenly stops yielding results. Your body is smart and highly efficient. As you get fitter, your body becomes more efficient at performing the same workout, meaning you burn fewer calories for the same amount of effort. To break this plateau, introduce progressive overload. Increase the weight, resistance, duration, or variety of your exercises to challenge your muscles. Don't let a plateau discourage you. Now you know the common pitfalls and how to adjust your approach for continued success. Remember to focus on holistic health. Dial in your nutrition, prioritize sleep, and actively manage your stress levels. Start tracking your intake and energy output accurately. Small adjustments often lead to big breakthroughs. Good luck.